$2.3 million. Luxury waterfront estate. This area is tucked into a scenic nature sanctuary in a very private, peaceful setting. 1 to 2 miles to Tomoka State Park, offering a boat ramp, lots of outdoor activities. This home is unlike any other. Special attention to detail. All private setting with custom closets and baths. 3-car garage with hurricane-reinforced garage doors. 4-bedroom and suite in 4 separate parts of the home, each offering exceptional privacy. 1 suite features a cupola adding supreme light and space. Bath with large walk-in shower to shower heads. It's a must-see.